How you going? I am Beige Lad. Black River, I did get your package, so it's good. We'll have a look at that today. Come on, focus. There it is. Black River plush. So this was in the box, and I'm kind of concerned that this was just sitting in the box. Honestly. No, so this is the Djinn V2. But yeah, this is the Djinn, and it's apparently not working correctly. So I'm gonna have to test it out and see exactly what's going on. Ow. This has some fairly heavy switches, probably like 70s or something. I need to figure out what's going on because these came in the box, and unfortunately one of these was just loose. One of the diodes was just, hey buddy, I'm here. It looks like it's been ripped off the board. So there's a couple of issues with this thing, and yeah, it's very interesting. So the cool thing about this is it's got the radial dials, and it's got like a joysticky dial thing here, some sort of a speaker going on as well, a screen or dual screens. What happened is Black River got this 2 years ago, and it was broken on impact, on arrival, basically. So I'm just gonna have a quick eye over the whole board and see if I can see anything, which I can already see something obvious. I might just pop these screens off just because they're flopping around a bit. I don't want to break them. I'm guessing it would have been expensive, man. I don't actually know. With a quick Google search, I have no clue. Honestly, it doesn't give me any. Couple of knobs. Knobs. These switches actually sound nice. So we've got to fix the board first. Makes a beep sound. And do you see the flickering? Oh, that LED's, well, now that LED's working, what the hell? That's on, off, on, off. Hello? So I'm guessing something to do with that LED or this one. It's possible, yeah, because there was a diode. It's at this size. Okay, that's good. That's one mystery down. What is that? I'm scared. I feel like that would make a connection, so I'm trying to, like, scratch it off. I'm going to test this side now. I think I figured out what's going on that side, almost. This one does not make any sound. When I plug it in, so something's not right with the LEDs. There's still some kind of a spillage on here, which I'm not really happy about. Some sort of a spillagey business. And it doesn't matter if I'm cleaning it while it's on, because this is 100% ISO, so it doesn't have any water in it. It's not going to fry it or anything like that. What is that? Because he was an angel. And just clean them up. And because it's close to the MCU, the tape on it to not damage the MCU. So see, the MCU is like right there. So rather than getting that all dodgied up, I'd put tape on it. Oh my god, that stinks. Like, so I'm just cleaning up the flux, excess flux. I find it weird that no one, actually literally no one is commenting that I'm wearing a blouse. I find this very concerning. Like, this is the very first time I've ever done this, but you guys are acting like it's normal. You guys, man. Oh, shit. I don't do anything out of the ordinary. I'm like the most average dude there is. Like, I hate it here. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up, and if it stops working, well then... It's got wings! All the women are like flying and shit, and we're just here with like a normal t-shirt on. Like, what the fuck? All I'm doing right now is just cleaning the PCB, because there's some parts which I'm just like, this is sus. Super sus. Anyway, we should actually test the PCB, because I haven't even got to that part. If I push on this LED, If I push on that LED, the whole thing stops. That one LED is dodge. This guy. Look at how dodgy he looks. Doesn't that look dodge? Yeah, it all goes off. We're going to have to take the board out, and that's kind of not fun. But also, I'm going to test the switches on this because I don't actually know if these actually work at all. 1, Q, that doesn't work. Z, that works. R2 doesn't work. So 1 and 2 don't work. A and 2, sorry. That doesn't work for whatever reason. These don't work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Does tab work? Nope. I just want to look at the board and then, you know, have it tell me what to fix. You know what I mean? Troubleshooting. Initial steps of troubleshooting. Check that these aren't bridged together. USB 1. No, we're good there. Check that 1 or 2. Check that A and B's aren't short together. Oh, okay. No, we're good there. There's no bridges there. A lot of excess solder there, but I remember when. Why is that gold? That's not even connected. So I'm going to put a bit of flux on it. A tiny bit of solder. And try not to bridge shit. Like that. It's funny. So this is what not to do. So what we do now is we take it off again. Says who? Just took off a little bit of the solder with the old Goot wick. So I'm just going to triple check that. Isopropyl alcohol to clean the shit out of it. Get the flux off. No connection between there. It is actually, yep. It's actually soldered now. And we're solidly connected. So, link. The fuck was that? There's a solder blob over here. Look at that. Wait, why did it do that? That was weird. That could have been why he's saying the split between this and the new one that wasn't working as well. So, look, we're fixing issues. One weirdness at a time, though. These all work now. That's good. These all work now. Tab works. Yeah. Okay. So we fixed that. That's good. So the reason was one of the pins on the MCU, pin 2. Why? I have no idea. Screen's working. That one there, pin 2. I know it's hard to see, but pin 2 was not even soldered. So that one there. But no, now at least the MCU is soldered and fixed. We're good. So we're going to plug in and check all of these have 5 volt, 5 volt, 5 volt, 5 volt, 5 volt, 3V, 3V, 3V. This one may not work because it doesn't have that diode, which I'm going to solder on afterwards, but 0. Let's see if I can get anything out of this side just by plugging it in directly. Fucking dead as well. Okay, let's check the MCU on this one. I should play this song at the end of my stream. I don't want it to be over. That kind of looks like a bridge there. Because see, there's the pad. There's the other pad. I don't think they even put this on properly. Yeah, it's not sitting right. Tiny bit of solder. So if you don't know how to solder diodes, but there's a little line on them. See that line? And then on the PCB, there'll be like a square. So he's good. I think he's connected. Kind of looks connected. Oh my god, hold on. What the fuck? Soldering lesson for you. What the fuck is going on there? That is definitely not connected. Yeah, see? Bendy, bendy. Not bendy, bendy. Not bendy, bendy. So we'll fix this, and hopefully this will resolve whatever maybe the start of the issues. Okay, so we're going to have to run a trace. This side is much worse. BF. Hey, BF. Sheesh. Is that even connected? That one seems nice. Okay, that's what you want to do. I hope I didn't disappoint. Or I hope I did disappoint if that's what you're looking for. Either way, I hope you enjoyed your say. Okay, so I think that's our next course, is fix this thing. I'm going to reflow. Where are you? I'm going to jam them up with flux We're going to heat him up. Wait, can I like remove him now? So if you don't have a hot air gun, even the cheap ones from China or whatever, if I can get one, it's the best thing you can get to help out with tiny little solder jobs like this. Just make life so much easier. See, like, look at that. That is bad. ISO first, and then flux. We get a really good view. That one, that pad is completely gone. There we go. Look at that. Exposing the copper. Flux. Because it's a new one, it's going to take a little while for the copper to take the solder. Take the solder. There we go, that's better. If I know where I put that little fucking thing. Does anyone know where I put that thing? Is it attached to my arm? Where is it? I had the little chippy thing here while I was cleaning. It's fine. We will find one, but I'll own up to my mistake that I showed the camera, I put it back in here, and then maybe it's stuck in my blouse. Nope, I found another diode, not the one we're looking for. Somehow I've lost a 6-penny thing, and I need to know where to find another one. I'm just checking if it's like fallen in the board or something. I don't know, man. Okay, I think I can see why this one doesn't fucking work. Anyway, okay. Let's take a moment to take this in. It was in my beard, man. What the fuck is going on today? It was in my beard, guys. I found the 6-penny thing. It was in my fucking beard. It was sitting in my beard, of all places. It was trying to get in my blouse. I'm gonna have to remove that whole slot, which is the USB-C. Huh? I can't even tell where one pin ends and the other one starts. Huh? Yeah. I'm going to blast this thing off the face of the earth because all of that jumping and shorting and shit like that is going to affect the board regardless. But it may be salvageable by just removing it and getting rid of it. I'm going to clean it up and just see. It's just one big blob. It's fine still? Yeah, perfectly fine. Yeah, this thing was already well cooked before I got here. Fucking got that thing off the board. God damn, dude. My goodness. That was a mess. I think it's going to work. At least turn on. At least now. So if I grab the other dude. Now with that port removed, which was plug this guy in. And we should, in theory, see some lights on this side. Still nothing. But now this one's LED has stopped working. Maybe it doesn't have a config now. That's why it's doing that. Okay, so this thing must need the 6-penny boy. So we'll put the 6-penny boy back on. Get that working. Then see if it works. Ow, that's hot. I feel like maybe that the other USB-C port is damaged as well. And I can't see it because it's underneath. Like if I didn't check that and that was fucked. And I'm keep trying to figure it out. But I didn't even know that that was... You know what I mean? Bro, where did the 6-pin thing go again? He's upside down having a sleep. Over here. Sir, I need you to be at your job now. So I'm going to hold it like this. Heat it up. Heat it up and then let go. Stay. There we go. Heat it up now. Now we just got to put a little bit of solder on each one just to make sure it's secure. Yep. Connected. Yep, connected. There we go. Let's see what we got over this side. We got 2.3 volts. This side, 2.3 volts. This one, nothing. This one, 3. 3, nothing. Interesting. So we do have voltage coming across, which is good. But nothing is turning on. So this is ground from this side all the way across to this side, which is good. We're actually getting something. 1.3? 1.3. 0.8? 0.08? 0.2? 0.2. That's on the pin that has nothing on it. If I do that, this one here resets. There's too many issues, actually. So I re-soldered the pin on the MCU and then everything started working fine. Connecting this still didn't start up. But strangely, I do this and it turns it off and on again. But like that should be 3 volt, 3.3. That should be 5. So like if I go here, that should be 5. That should be 5 volts. And that should be, what the fuck? That should be 5 volts right there. Why? Why is that not working? Okay, let me disconnect that. So this starts up. Look, all the LEDs light up, blah, blah, blah. That's working as per normal. But like when I test V-bus on that side, it's like nothing. It doesn't even do anything. Oh, of course it is. All right, so nothing's going to happen until we fix U6 anyway, so it doesn't matter. U6 is that one there, which is the one that pin isn't working. That pin right there. So we've got to fix that first. Yes. Yup. Yup. Yep. Yup. 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 Bad, right? And then hopefully this side will turn on to there. Why is there a hat on it? Like, why do you have a hat? Buddy, why do you have a hat of solder? So confused on all of this board. Yeah, something like that, eh? Desk cam. Okay, so we're gonna fuck that off. Plug this back in. LEDs on that one, nothing on that side. Okay. I can't trust anything. Okay, I think that bitch, you right there, not even fucking soldered on. It's just sitting there. It's like, hey, how you going? Hey, I'm here. If that works after doing that one fucking thing, I don't know why though. Okay, no, it doesn't work. Fuck. So that does start that thing. 5 volts. Okay. Hold on. No, I'm getting 1.6 instead of 1.3 now. So I'm getting more voltage. I'm getting 1.6 in places where I was getting 1.3. Good. 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 Where are you, bitch? Where are you? There. Where's my finger? Where's my finger? Find my finger. There. Another fucking culprit of not actually being soldered. Fuck him. Those are fucking not. Those are really fucking not. Not. All of this side of these. Okay. I'm going to redo all of those. on my soldering iron, and then just... Here you go, buddy. Here you go, buddy. Here you go, buddy. Here you go, buddy. That's better. Doesn't that look nicer? Yeah. Motherfuck. Okay. Please work now. You can't do that, right? You can't plug it in after the fact. You have to... 3.3. Oh, we're back to 1.3. 5 volts. Wait. Wait. Did it fucking light up? It did, right? The thing lit up. I swear it lit up. That whole thing lit up, I'm pretty sure. So that lights up. Watch. And I did this. See? Okay. So now it's just that dead solder fucking joint right there. Oh, yeah. Okay. Work. Oh my fucking god. Okay, Google. Turn off our room lights. It works. It fucking works. But hey, it works now, right? Oh, I think there's a reset button at the bottom that keeps being pushed. Okay. So everything's working. Okay, we're at least getting more voltage. Oh, you can't see shit, sorry. Okay, Google. Turn on the room lights. Okay, Google, turn on our room lights. I'm pretty happy with where we're at right now, because it is kind of late. Stop talking to my Google. Oh, I'm sorry, my guy. So the 3.3 is working normally. The 5 volt, I still can't. I've lost the 5 volt where I was supposed to check it from. No worries, man. So we've got 5 volt and we've got... Yeah, I think... See if I can get anything out of them. If not, it's a software thing, which is not really my thing. Let me test if I can actually type something here. P's, yep, we got P's going on. What about this side? That's E. Cool. N. Peen. Penal. Yeah. Fucking key works. Yeah. Shit works. My volume. Yep. Volume works. Dude, sick. Keyboard works. I'm gonna contact the dude tomorrow. Thank you very much. You've been awesome. I've been Beige Led. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, bye.